If you have fine, limp, or lifeless hair, you might be interested in this next product. In this video, we tested out the Bumble Bumble Thickening Plumping Mask. This is a lightweight, volumizing in-shower treatment that claims to expand each hair strand for full-on, all-day volume. Its highlighted ingredients are Imblica technology that immediately thickens and plumps each strand, hydrolyzed rice protein that helps to add volume and bounce, and cocoa seed oil and coconut oil to help condition and smooth. So just a disclaimer, I did purchase this with my own money. This is not sponsored by any means. I was interested in this product because I found that it was a little bit different than other thickening products that I've used, in that you can use it when your hair is styled, but also when it is air dried. So of course we tested it out both ways, and here is how it went. So we started out by shampooing the hair, and of course they recommend using the Bumble Bumble Thickening shampoo prior to using the mask, but we don't have that. So instead of the thickening shampoo, I used the Way clarifying shampoo to get rid of any product buildup and excess oils that could weigh the hair down. Once the hair is shampooed, it says to apply this mask directly to the scalp and work through from the roots to the ends. Leave on for 2 to 5 minutes. I left mine on for 5 minutes and then rinsed. To make sure this review was as fair as possible, I didn't use anything else in my hair except for my Pureology multitasking leave-in spray. I don't go without this stuff. It has so many benefits. It's incredible. I'll leave it linked below. Anyway, and then I blow dried my hair using my Revlon one-step hair dryer in the same way I styled it for the before shot. And for the air dry portion, I did exactly the same steps, except for obviously I didn't blow dry my hair. So we're gonna look at the air dry first, but let me just put it out there that my hair air dried is not good, okay? That's not the product's fault, that's my hair's fault. So let's just overlook that whole situation and keep in mind that we are looking for thickness and volume in the hair. With that being said, I feel like I noticed a slight difference in my hair using this mask, more so at the ends. There was more thickness or fullness, but not so much at the roots. I didn't notice any difference there. I feel like my before and after basically looked the same. I will say that it did not weigh my hair down at all though. So I was a little nervous about putting the mask on from roots to end because I have oily hair, and most of the time masks will weigh my hair down, but this one did not at all. Now for when I styled my hair, this is where I noticed more of a difference. Again, not so much at the root. It was more towards the ends. I felt like they were thicker and fuller, and it had more body and bounce to it. So I think it definitely does work to help plump up the hair, but more so it's going to work better if you're using it when you're styling your hair than you are if you're going to let it air dry. I love how easy it was to use just in the shower. It doesn't take a lot of time. My hair felt moisturized and hydrated, and it didn't leave my hair feeling like straw like a lot of other volumizing products do. I also think it would work much better in combination with other volumizing products. For this test, I just wanted to use this product by itself to see how it worked, but Bumble Bumble has a whole line of thickening products that you're supposed to use together to get the best results. And actually, if you've used any of those, please leave a comment down below, share your experience with us so that we know which ones work the best. So I think this is worth checking out if you want to use it with other volumizing products just to get the max benefits from it. So that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!